Welcome. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through how to update the agency setting in Home Health Soft. After logging in, go to the Administration in the menu bar and click Agencies. Click the agency you wish to update settings. Navigate to the Settings tab. Here you can update the General Settings section and Email Invoice Settings section. The Billing Instructions. This message will display when you're ready to email the invoice to the agency, intended for internal use only. Then click Save Changes. To add agency contacts, go to the Agency Contacts tab, then click Add Contact. These contacts can be designated to receive invoices, clinical notes, and other billing-related communications. Complete the required fields and select Save. Remember that training videos are always available in the menu bar under User Guide. If you have any questions or need assistance, please submit a heat ticket under the menu. We're happy to help.